Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pairing your Bluetooth headset and plugging in wired headphones. Make sure both appear in settings Bluetooth and devices and sound. Once done, open sound settings and note the exact device names. You'll need those for routing. Next, set the wired headphone as the default communication or default device depending on your goal. Also enable developer mode if your machine needs additional audio routing tools later. This prepares Windows for creating multiple output streams without rebooting. Stay focused, we'll change routing next. Now configure routing. Open Sound Control Panel and confirm your default device and default communication device choices. Then open App Volume and Device Preferences. Assign your music player to wired output and VoIP apps to Bluetooth. If an app lacks per-app routing, install a virtual mixer like Voicemeeter and route Windows output channels into separate hardware outputs. Make sure sample rates match between devices and advanced device properties to avoid stuttering. Once mapped, test playback on each device to verify independent streams. Finish by testing simultaneous playback with two different apps. One should go to wired and the other to Bluetooth. If you notice dropouts or heavy latency, make sure sample rates match and switch drivers to WASAPI or a CO in the playback app. If audio devices disappear, restart the Windows Audio service or reconnect devices. Finally, reinstall or update Bluetooth and audio drivers as a last step. This often fixes persistent routing issues. If all else fails, reset sound settings and rebuild your routing from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.